Let me just get a take from you on what you think the latest numbers tell us about the shape of the Chinese economy at this stage.
Well, the latest numbers are interesting. Of course, it's showing some moderation, but I would argue that that's to be expected, right? You've seen the post-lockdown recovery and a huge bounce back after that, and it stands to reason that you should have been expecting some moderation there. The question really is, where are the underlying fundamentals for the Chinese economy? And there I'd argue that the underlying fundamentals in terms of the recovery in corporate profitability, which is important for an investment-led business cycle upturn, are very much in place still.
Extraordinary that the economy actually grew, though, given the events that started in China over the course of last year. Sharmila, let me, though, ask you about the consumption side, because that's been the area that continues to be showing some weakness. Retail sales falling 3.9% last year. Consumption very much underperforming what you're seeing on the investment side. What happens in 2021 to resurrect the retail and consumption story?
I think 2021, this year, you're going to see consumption continuing to recover because the labor market is improving, right, in terms of wage growth as well as employment, businesses starting to expand again, right? So there's a cyclical recovery, but there's also the underlying structural story in China where growth is becoming very, very much domestic demand led. And that's on the back of the government's policies in terms of promoting domestic growth, including Xi's dual circulation economic framework policies there. And the usual that we know, the demographics, the growing middle class. So I'm more sanguine, let's say, about the Chinese recovery continuing and becoming more stable this year.